Hey, good morning, good morning. I hope your day has started off beautifully. My day started with drink, yoga, my journaling. I had drink. I don't know if we're gonna have breakfast out in the streets, but I am going to the chiropractor now. I don't know if I can record inside there, but if I can, I'll share a bit of that with you and let's see what I get up to. I have 3 doctor's appointments today. This one is at 9 and I hope this doctor is not grumpy. However, what is interesting about this doctor, when I made the appointment, they asked me if I wanted someone who speaks English or French, and I said if English is possible, fine, but let's see how that goes. Okay, so we are at the appointment, but half an hour early. And being here half an hour early, I hope that they show up at 9 because I came too early. So I'm gonna be grumpy if they come late. Oh, the garden is beautiful. You wanna wait? Oh, look at that. You wanna wait? Here or in the, oh wow.
I guess this is the case. Okay, good.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at this one. The one with the cactus. Well, I just finished my session with the doctor and I'm happy I came when I came because if I waited a bit longer, it would have gotten more serious. My doctor was a black man. It was an amazing experience. The service was good. Would I recommend this place? Yeah.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Ah, hola chiquitín. Ay. And we're going to have big breakfast.
mini de roast beef,
Sí, gracias.
4 quesos. ¿Usan chiles en vinagre?
Ah, sí, por favor. Sí.
Ay, creo que se me acabaron.
Ok,
Lo siento,
no,
se
no,
los voy a
no.
deber.
¿Qué?
No pasa. Gracias.
¿No tiene?
No.
Ay.
Suyo.
Out. Today was a pretty overwhelming day and busy day, so I didn't capture much. We came home from the last doctor's appointment, and we had dinner. Now I'm going out to get tea just to relax and chat. And that's it for my day. I hope you had an amazing, adventurous day as well. Not one with stress, but if it does, you know, breathe in, out, let it go. Tomorrow's another day to start new. So this was pretty much my day, having tea. It was quite an overwhelming day, but it turns out well. Came relaxed with a cup of tea. Now I'm heading back home. I'm gonna end here by saying remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.